Okay, so npm fetchOnlinePackageInfo. Fetch data from this site and that site to provide auto-completion and information on hover features on npm dependencies. So this is set to true by default, and let me show you what this looks like. If you have a package.json file in your project and you're trying to write a dependency by hand, all of these suggestions are coming from those two websites. So these are all available packages, registered packages on those websites. And as you can see, we have Axios and Actions Agent and all of the packages that are related to Axios. So if you disable this, you will not have such features as auto-completion anymore, right? So obviously this is useful. So I'm going to leave this one as true.